Hey guys, if you want to convert your text from multiple cells into one cell, then this video is perfect for you because I'm going to explain this with very simple example. Let's dive in. In this example, I have few columns like first name, middle name, and last name. If I wish to join all those names in one cell, but I also want to keep space in between the names, so I will use concatenate formula. It start with is equal to CONCAT, second one, click on this one, press tab, and now it's asking me what is the text one. Text one is this one. Click on this, it will pick its reference number, then comma. Now next thing is if I want to give space in between the names, so what I will do, I will mention in quotation and then space within in quotation and then again close in quotation and then comma. So what it will do, it will just take the first name from this cell and then it will enter the space between entering the second name. So second name, which is the middle name in this one, click on this cell, it will pick its reference number and then again comma. Again, I want to have a space in between middle name and last name as well. So I will type in quotation and then space again in quotation and comma. Now I will click on last name cell. It will pick its reference number, close of bracket. Now a formula is ready to go. First name, then space, and then second name, again space, and third name, which is the last name. Press enter. Now you can see it has merged the name within the cell. It is kept the space in between names. So if I want to copy the formula for rest of the rows as well, I will just drag from the bottom of the cell when this plus sign appears, and it will apply this formula for rest of the rows as well. So this is how you can use concatenate formula to merge the text from the different cells into one cell. I'm leaving the link of the text join function, which is the advanced function, and you need to have updated version of Excel to use that. And I'll see you guys in next video.